Hi, today I wanted to show you how to fold a meringue-based or foam cake. And I wanted to show you how to fold in dry ingredients into a meringue. You can use this for either making a dacquoise, a genoise, a sponge cake, a roll cake, angel food, chiffon, all the foam-based cakes. So the idea is to preserve as much air as possible in the meringue. This is pre-sifted cocoa, and we're adding it gently to our meringue batter. And now this is the traditional way of folding a meringue to keep as much air as possible without deflating the meringue. It's called a J-fold using your spatula. But I prefer to do it a different way using my whisk. I cut lines through my batter, quickly incorporating the dry ingredients into my meringue. This is faster and more thorough, I find, than doing the traditional J-fold. I continue doing this, gently cutting lines through the meringue and the dry ingredients until all the dry ingredients are completely incorporated into the meringue, occasionally shaking out the whisk to get the lumps out, and then continuing again, cutting lines through my meringue. Today I'm making chocolate meringue cigars, but like I said, this technique can be used for any foam-based cake. As you can see, I'm moving gently so as not to deflate the meringue. When I'm satisfied that it's almost completely incorporated, I will switch to my spatula and do the last few folds, making sure that every last bit of dry ingredient, in this case cocoa powder, has been completely incorporated into my meringue. Next, I'll show you how to fill a piping bag. I've put my piping bag into a large pitcher to help me hold the bag down while I fill it with my meringue. I'm still trying to be gentle so as not to deflate my meringue. Then I'll use a bench scraper to push all the batter down into the tip of the bag, so as not to make a mess at the top of the bag where I'm holding it, but also to gently push the air out of the batter so I don't get burps when I'm trying to pipe the meringue onto my sheet pan. When piping long pastries like these meringue cigars or eclairs, for example, it's easier to pipe from the side than straight on. First of all, you can see the batter coming out, but it gives you better control of the size and shape of the meringue that you're piping. You can see how I got perfectly straight meringue cigars here by piping from the side, but in the next picture you'll see how the last one I piped straight on gave me a non-uniform blob.